All right, guys, we got a new listing that's gonna be hitting the market. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this home. It is a newer build. It's an infill in a nice character neighborhood. Like, take a look at this place.
Oh my God, I have the perfect client in mind.
You're going down.
I thought.
Time out.
Time out. Jackets off.
Yes. Time in.
Oh man, I'm sweating. I'm locked and loaded, ready to go. Man, where is she? This place is so open. How can I not find her?
Oh, this house is mine. Oh, I love these pre-engineered hardwood floors. Locked and ready.
Would you grow up? It's going on the market for all the buyers.